Avahi, ping can't resolve hostname, but Nslookup can. Ping tells me that it can't resolve some hostname, ping, unknown host domain.company.local, in a URL, but when I use host or Nslookup on the same computer on the command line, the resolutions works fine, i.e. it's fast and reliable. What could be causing this? More testing. Firefox, WG, and ping have the same problem. Pinging the IP address works. OS, Linux, Ubuntu 13.04. Edit my etc. resolve.conf reads. Netstat reports. So something is running on this port. Nslookup also reports it uses 127.0.1.1 as DNS server. There is no etc. *inet.conf, so I'm not sure which application serves this port. It seems that dnsmasq is used. All the config files and folders are empty. Since Nslookup says it uses 127.0.1.1 hash 53, my guess is that dnsmasq works even without a configuration. But how does it know which parent DNS to query? Edit 2 disabling dnsmasq as suggested by Harimk didn't help. So I ran straceping, which gave me this odd output, just the interesting parts. So ping looks in etc. hosts, which makes sense. Then it loads an mmap s libnis _mdns for _minimal.so.2, which makes sense as well. But then it talks to Avahi, which led me to this forum post. Ping doesn't make a DNS request. My etc. nsswitch.conf also contains this line. If I ping a working address, I see that the process also loads libnis _mdns for _minimal.so.2, but then it does a DNS query via port 53. So my guess is now that libnis _mdns for _minimal.so.2 is somehow noticing that the IP address ends with .local and not with .com, and then the not found equals return is triggered. How do I fix this?
As described in detail in this blog post, you need to edit etc. avahidemon.conf. This binds the daemon to the domain.alocal instead of the default .local. And restart the daemon with. Note from the blog post. You may need to flush the DNS mdns and resolve a cache, as well as restart your web browsers to clear their internal cache. After that, ping and Nslookup started to agree. Thanks to Harimk for getting me on the right track.
Easy thing to do, edit /etc/ default /Avahi daemon. Change the line. 2. Restart the Avahi daemon or kill it. I don't like Avahi, and I don't use any of its features. If you want to truly disable Avahi, modify /etc/init/avahidemon.conf, similar to the following.
If you are not doing connection sharing with other devices or VMS through your computer, you could turn off dnsmasq in Network Manager. Edit etc. in Network Manager.conf and comment the line, put a hash in front of it. Then do. That will turn off the local resolver. Source, DNS in Ubuntu 12.04.
Modifying /etc/ and switch.conf and replacing. Bye. Worked for me.